Well, greetings from Pennsylvania once again, and today we are down in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. Today is January 5th, I believe, and this is called Climbers Run Nature Preserve. I'll try to put the name down there. Now, I was just here the other day with some friends. They wanted to go on a little short adventure. I had never been here before, so I kind of used it as an opportunity to do a little bit of scouting. This is a beautiful place. We were going to hike some trails, but then I told them about something else that was up on the hill, and we ended up exploring that. But I'm going to save that for another video. I'm going to film later today as well. There's something cool up on top of one of these hills. But in this video, we're going to hike the trails that are here. And when I was with those friends the other day, we were on the one trail. It is beautiful down there, walking along a creek with some rapids and waterfalls. So looking forward to doing this again. We didn't really hike the trails a whole lot that day, but there's the blue trail, the white trail, and the yellow trail here. I'm going to do the blue trail and the white trail today. So let's get packed up. Got the pack back there on Naomi waiting to go, and let's have a little adventure exploring today. A little bit overcast and gloomy, but that's okay. Alright, so here's what the place looks like when you initially pull in. There's a neat old house down there, and a barn there. Looks like it's been refurbished and used for other purposes. But here's the driveway coming down. This is right off of what's called Frogtown Road, right near a town called Martickville. And of course, I got plenty of parking here. So we're gonna look for the blue trail. It should start over here somewhere. Didn't really hike on the blue trail the other day. But man, I love that house down there. The old stone houses. Yeah, you know what I'm gonna say next. Some of you know what I'm gonna say next. I could totally live in that house. Down here in the hills. Alright. Let's find that trail. They really don't have things marked too well here as for the trails, as to where the blue trail starts. So that's one thing. I mean, there's a trail going up there, but they have no there should be a blue blaze mark somewhere saying that this is the blue trail. Although I don't know if I see any up there or not, but let's just go up this way. So at this point in this video, I'm going to take a little detour and film another video. So I'll be gone for a bit on my timing, but for you it'll just be a couple seconds. But the place I want to film is going to be up this trail a ways, up to the top of this hill. But there's a little sign back there calling this the cardio trail, and I did see a blue blaze mark up there. But on my way back from filming that other video, I'm going to keep heading down this way on what should be the other end of the blue trail, I guess. I know the white trail is down here too. Seems a little bit confusing, but there's a map online which shows you the trails go. Just doesn't seem that things are too well blazed here yet. Alright, I will see you in a bit. Alright, so I'm back from my little side explore. I know for you it was a couple minutes, but I was up there for a little bit of time. It's kind of like an abandoned camp up there. Pretty cool. But that will be uploaded that'll be the next video upload after this one. It was pretty cool up there. So, but I'm back to where I just left you for what it was for you was just a few seconds. But I'm gonna get back down here, and I'm gonna look for the white trail again. I know the white trail is right down here. It follows the creek. Like I said, the signage here isn't too good, but at the same time, it's not terribly confusing. It's not like a large preserve. So let's get down to the white trail and hike along. The stream down here is just absolutely beautiful. Alright, so down here by the pond is a blue blaze on the tree. Here's the pond. But you can probably hear the stream up there and see it. Yeah, so it looks like the blue blaze continues on that way, but we'll see about that. Not crossing here. But right here is the white trail. Look at that. Beautiful stream. There's the white blaze. Beautiful spot right here, like nice little swimming hole. I come back here this summer with some friends and hang out right here. But there's little rapids and waterfalls coming right down into here. So I'm just gonna relax here for a little bit. Maybe have a little something to eat. Right by these little waterfalls. So I did bring my Osmo action camera along. I haven't used it in the water yet. It's the one I use on my dashboard when I'm driving, but let's test it out in the water a little bit here. A little underwater footage, see how it works. Hopefully that footage turned out all right. We'll see. I'm going to continue on up the trail. It does look like there's a trail on the other side of the creek as well, so hopefully that'll be a way to get across, is to go up to where the white trail ends and then come across. But we'll see. Beautiful place though. Cool. Lots of neat rocks up here. That's probably worth an explore all its own. Alright. Just gonna go a little bit further, and I'm gonna look for a place to cross over to there. Alright, well, getting across this stream hasn't happened. Water's a little deeper than I realized. I don't feel like getting wet feet, and I don't feel like slipping on the rocks either and getting completely wet. So we shall see what I do. I'd still like to hike that blue trail since I'm here. Oh, this place is amazing. Yeah, you might have seen it. There's another guy out here. You might have seen him in the one clip there off in the distance. Not sure exactly what he's doing. Obviously he's hiking, but anyway, he was giving off a slightly odd vibe. Anyway, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do here. Yeah, so up there is where he parked. There's that old house. But I think I might, I know the blue trail goes on this side of the creek too, so maybe we'll just go hike on this side for a bit. I know they had said they did have some bridges across this stream, but we had some flooding recently and it washed some of those bridges away, I think. At least that's what the website said. Alright, so I found the Blue Blaze trail on the other side of the creek here. Well, not really the other side, but the side that I'm on. Never been down this way at all, so we'll see what there is to see down here. Okay, I'm seeing, I remember on the map they had something down here called the Unnatural Playground, and I'm seeing evidence of that up ahead, so we'll check that out in a moment here. I think this park is a work in progress, that they're still working on things. Yeah, I guess this is what they're calling the Natural Playground. I guess it's just a place, obviously, where kids can come and build little structures. That's kind of cool, because most parks and preserves you go to, you can't just build stuff like this out in the woods. So it's like it's a place for kids or even adults. I wouldn't mind being out there, and just a place where they can have fun, build little wooden structures and stuff out in the woods, forts and stuff. So up that way was the Natural Playground, and the trail kind of came out in the open. Looks like it's gonna come down to the creek down here. You can see the Blue Blaze on the trail. I mean, someone asked me recently why there's different colored marks on the trees, these blaze marks. Well, each trail has its own color, blaze mark. At least that's the way it's supposed to be. It's like here you have the white trail and the blue trail. Yeah, there's really no bridge here either. So I'm not going to be going up that section. Alright, we'll make my way back to the parking lot now. But yeah, the white trail along Extreme is absolutely beautiful if you come here. Well, you should come here. If you're in the Lancaster area, it's a little hidden gem. Well, not all of you should come because they'll get too crowded then, but alright, I'm definitely coming back. Like I said, the friends I was with not too while ago when we were here, they want to come back here too in the summertime. Walk along that stream. I'm even thinking about coming back. If we get like a really cold spell, where there's areas where you have the waterfalls and stuff, you get these awesome ice formations. Some places I'm hoping, well, I don't like when it gets really, really cold, but if it does, we might stop in here and walk along that trail. See all the cool, how the ice forms on the rocks and the branches in the stream and stuff. All right, let's get home. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you around.